Hi WordPress users. Do you want to display gravity forms on a page or post in bulk? To display gravity forms on WordPress pages or posts in bulk from an Excel or CSV file, you can follow these steps. Install and activate Gravity Forms and WordPress Bulk Publish plugin. Download and open Import CSV or XLSX template from WordPress Bulk Publish plugin settings page. Now, fill your post title, post content, category, tags, feature image, rank math SEO keyword etc. Keep in mind is that each row should represent a separate post. You should see a list of your existing gravity forms or an option to create a new form. If you haven't created the form you want to import entries into, click on the New Form button to create a new form. Configure the form fields and options as desired. We pasted existing gravity form shortcode in the post content. Note that ID should be mentioned in the form. Save your Excel or CSV file. If you're using Excel, you could save the file as a CSV, separated values, file format. This format is easier to work with when importing data into WordPress. Once you've configured the import, start the import process. The plugin will read and imported the CSV or XLSX file with the corresponding data. After the import is complete, go to the WordPress editor of the page or post. You should be able to see the all-imported post or page listed in the WordPress editor with gravity form. Isn't it great? So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos related to WordPress.